my channel. Good morning. Is it morning? It's actually afternoon now. Today's video is going to be quite short, but then at the end of this video I'm going to let you guys know about the Christmas giveaway and instructions useful about that. Right now I'm going to fix my laptop. My laptop battery has issues. I just need to go to the market this time, so I'm going with my mom. I'm going to fix my laptop and get my lights. The cord for my lights just burnt as I was trying to film now, so I have to also get that fixed. I'll see you guys. So I'm back from my journey and I actually got, you guys have seen the bureau, the nails. It's actually a lot, and I'm going to attempt to eat. I'll start because I actually like to really chill when I'm eating. So I want to basically just talk about the giveaway, and I give you guys a rundown of the instructions and everything. It's actually nothing difficult at all. And the reason why I'm doing it is because I really want this to be like a Christmas gift for someone, but then I just don't want to randomly pick people. I don't want to be biased. So I actually want to see who actually genuinely would appreciate it. And how I will know is if you are actually valuing the content that I put out for free on YouTube and on Instagram. So I know that, okay, if I'm going to do a free consultation for you, then I know that it's going to be something of great value and you actually put it to work. Because, if I'm giving out knowledge, giving out value, it has to be something that you will take seriously. So that's the reason why I'm doing this giveaway. And yes, as I've said, it's going to be a free consultation. Before I go into the instructions, I actually went to Cravings More. I actually don't know them before. I was just going to fix my laptop and I just saw their face. I was like, oh, okay, let's branch there and I get something on my mom. So we went there. So the rice is not from them, and my mom made the rice. So but then I'm just going to give you a taste. It's like Yoruba people, we don't use to taste pepper. I can taste the pepperishness. I can taste that there's pepper, but it's not pepperish. Yeah, but yeah, it makes sense. Anyway, so the free consultation is going to be my giveaway and my December or Christmas gifts to you guys, to one of you guys. And all you have to do is to engage on my content on Instagram and on YouTube. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must be following me on Instagram. When I mean engage, I mean things like sharing my content, commenting, liking the video, especially on IG, sharing to your story, and tagging me so that I can see it. Commenting, engaging in whatever I put in the caption, because sometimes I just ask questions in the caption, try to start discussions. So being engaging in those comments, you get. And then liking the post on IG. Then for YouTube, you can also share videos. Actually, you can share to your WhatsApp status, and whenever you want to share with, you can just click the share button and share. Engage in my content, share my videos, tag me everywhere you can tag. Basically, just engage in my content. The reason why I'm saying you should engage in my content is because that's how I'll know that you are actually watching my free content and you're actually learning something from it. And then also ask questions, and I'll answer, right? So like ask questions, bring up like video ideas or something that you have a problem with that I think I can give an answer to, mention them, anything engaging, so that I can just know that yes, you are the one that actually would value my consultation when I give it to you for free. Yeah, and it's just going to be one winner, and I'm going to be picking across YouTube and Instagram, so it has to be both. If you are only active on Instagram and you're not active on YouTube, then it doesn't count. Okay. So like that's basically the summary of everything. I think that's going to be the end of this Vlogmas series. I don't know which day it is. I think it's Vlogmas 2. That's going to be the end of this Vlogmas video, and I think I'll see you guys in my next one. Wish me luck, guys. Bye.